In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add unsubscribe link Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your subscribers have a clear, working way to opt out. This isn't just a best practice for user experience. It's essential for email compliance and keeping your sender reputation healthy. First, sign into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, head straight to the campaigns area. This is where all your email campaigns live, including drafts and anything scheduled. If you have a lot of campaigns, use search or filters to quickly find the one you want to update. Open the specific campaign where you want to add the unsubscribe link and choose Edit. That will take you into the email editor. Give the editor a second to load your content blocks, then navigate to the exact section where you'd like the unsubscribe link to appear. Many senders put it in the footer, which is common and expected. You can also include it in a short sentence at the end of your message for extra clarity. Wherever you place it, aim for clear wording and good contrast so it's easy to see. In that spot, type the word unsubscribe. Keep it simple and easy to recognize. That single word is what most subscribers look for when they want to opt out. You're going to turn that word into a clickable link in a moment. Now look for the Merge Tags menu in the editor's toolbar. Merge tags are dynamic placeholders that Mailchimp converts automatically when the email is sent. Click Merge Tags and then choose the unsubscribe link option. Mailchimp will generate the correct unsubscribe reference for your audience. When the unsubscribe option appears, click it and copy the link value it provides. This is the special link that tells Mailchimp to unsubscribe that specific recipient when they click it. By using the official merge tag or generated link, you avoid mistakes like pasting a generic URL that won't work for all contacts. Go back to the text where you typed unsubscribe and highlight that word. With it selected, click the link icon in the editor's toolbar to add a hyperlink. In the link field, paste the unsubscribe link you just copied. That ensures the word unsubscribe becomes a working, trackable opt-out link for each recipient. If your editor offers an option to open in a new tab, you can enable it, but it's not required. The most important thing is that the correct unsubscribe link is in place. Take a quick glance at the styling. Make sure the link color stands out enough to be noticeable and that it's not too small. Clear, prominent unsubscribe options reduce spam complaints and help your list stay clean. Once you're satisfied, save your changes. Then choose Save and Exit to leave the editor without losing your work. Saving and exiting confirms that your updated content, including the new unsubscribe link, is locked in for this campaign. A couple of final reminders as you wrap up. Mailchimp usually includes a footer with required contact details and an unsubscribe option, but adding your own visible link where readers expect to find it can improve clarity and reduce friction. Also, if you duplicate this campaign in the future or reuse the same template, the unsubscribe link you just set up will carry over, so you won't have to repeat these steps each time. That's it. You logged in, opened your campaign, typed unsubscribe where you wanted it, used the Merge Tags menu to grab the official unsubscribe link, applied it to your text, and saved your changes. With that, your email now includes a proper opt-out that keeps your audience in control and your sender reputation strong.